Check. Shout out to everybody here on the live. My name is Samuel James Price, and I go over the news every single day on my channel, Crypto Lifer. And here it is, tech giant Google and this protocol partner to boost innovation and Web3. Google Cloud continues its partnership with blockchain startups. According to Celo Foundation's biggest post, the recent partnership will focus on several key areas. Celo. So Celo is the one with Google. That's going to be pretty big news. We should run to the Celo chart right now, see what's happening immediately, just to kind of get an idea of what's happening to Celo. That's kind of part of this news. Let's take a look at Celo here on the charts and see what's happening. We'll go to where the biggest movement is here. While this thing is down in the dumps, nobody's looking at it. Nobody's thinking about it. The 1 hour didn't even get a bit of a spike here. This news could be a little early, and it's following Bitcoin. But right now, you are in this bit of a flag here for Celo. You're following that Bitcoin dub, but if Bitcoin stabilizes, all these coins will stabilize. Chance that once this news really starts to circulate and people start to hear it, Celo's oversold in the 1 hour time frame, could get a nice move to the upside. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but something you might want to look at if Celo's doing a business with Google. I mean, I don't know how that doesn't pump up the price to a big place. So that's a very interesting idea. Definitely something you want to look at. And Google, of course, wants to get in to Web 3.0. Tokenized gold surpasses $1 billion in market cap as physical assets near all-time price high. This is a type of stablecoin pegs its price to gold, while the tokens of the blockchain represents ownership of physical gold managed by the user. Tokenized gold assets surpassed $1 billion in combined market capitalization on Tuesday, according to the data. Tokenized gold is a type of stablecoin that pegs itself to gold. PAXG is a tokenized gold token, and so more and more people want to be holding these tokenized gold tokens, and that's going to, bring us up. Bitcoin correlation with gold and U.S. equities. Bitcoin and gold should move together, in my humble opinion. They should both be risk-on assets people want to jump on into when the markets are looking absolutely horrible. And I've always loved gold. I've traded gold for 4 years of my life. It was the only thing I traded. Gold got me into trading. So accumulating gold got me into trading gold, got me into understanding it. I started buying gold in 2009, and I started getting in at just, $800, $960 an ounce. I was looking at it even lower, but I didn't really jump in. I first thought about even buying it when it was $400, but I didn't do it. I was in college at the time. It was back in like 2005, 2004. Gold, baby, gold though. I love gold. No, it was not Dr. Evil, but I love gold. Oh, I love that movie, man. Next generation DeFi platform M0 emerges from stealth with $22.5 million funding round. The seed capital was led by Pantera. That's Dan. I like Dan over there at Pantera Capital, including the Scaramucci-linked Salt Fund and Moro Capital, the venture capital operation connected to the Santander Group. M0, a decentralized infrastructure layer for digital asset value transfer, has emerged from stealth mode with a bullish $22.5 million seed round and the intention of advancing the pioneer work done in decentralized finance. So now you're seeing big boys with money putting money into DeFi. People know where the money's going. Follow the money, everybody. Follow the money. Look at this shadiness. FTX transferring $7.7 billion from a Bahamian estate to U.S. units ahead of a bankruptcy filing. So shady. It just gets deeper and deeper. It gets deeper and deeper. Everyone, that is the news for the day. I hope you got excited. Some pretty cool, interesting things kind of brewing, and it's gold, baby gold. Thank you so much for jumping on into the news. Let's get back in to brass tacks and tackle the markets like we do.